Now, Donald Trump is insisting that his version of events with regard to the reflecting pool is accurate. He goes, they brought in a knife and they cut a slit. It's the slit from hell that Trump just can't resolve.
They've arrested, I think, 6 people on the reflecting pool. So the reflecting pool looks fantastic. I just got pictures of it. It's beautiful, but somebody went in with a knife and cut it. They cut it up good. And then they cut a 200, 350-foot slip in the form of lots of little slips.
By the way, notice that he now seems to be calling them slips instead of slits. Very weird.
Horrible stuff, and then they destroyed the grass. They put a brand new big load of grass out there, and they destroyed it. So it's all being fixed.
They put a huge load of grass after the slit in Trump's rubber pissed them off. Dear God. It does seem as though they did arrest people. That doesn't mean they did anything wrong. Because